Hi, birdies. You're cold, aren't you? My friends, the Buffy Cats, and I decided to invite you inside our clubhouse, so you'll be warm. Let's get out of this awful rain. Buffy Cats, the birdies are all wet. I'm afraid they might catch a cold.
Well, Pilou, then let's dry them off. This'll get it done super quick. They're all dry now.
So cute. It looks like you just got back from the hairdresser.
Let's go, Buffy Cats. Granny's birthday can't wait.
Hey! I'm sorry, little birdies, but before touching anything, please ask first. And whatever you do, don't touch my guitar! Let it go! My furry fellows, why won't you stop spinning?
The guitar's gone to your head, Lampo. Have some of my treats. You'll feel better in no time. They look so delicious.
Hey! Birdies, calm down. My bed.
They've eaten all the treats. Woe is me.
These birdies can't keep still for a second!
Yeah, this is pretty bad. We have to put the party together, but we can't leave them alone.
Why not, milady? We just need a touch of sweetness. Dear birds, can you please be good for your friend Pilou? See, my furry fellows, you can get anything with sweetness.
You're right, Pilou. Looks like the birds have calmed down for now. Come on, Buffy Cats. Let's get to work and decorate the room.
What awesome decorations! Let's start with the flags.
Oh, my whiskers!
How do we do that, Lampo?
Maybe I didn't have the sweetness turned high enough?
Stop! Everyone! Birdies, if you're gonna be guests in someone's house, you have to be nice and polite. Nope, they can't think about anything but playing.
Playing, huh, Lampo? That gives me a Buffy brainstorm. Buffy Cats, let's show them how much fun we're having setting up the party.
Good idea, m'lady. Then the birdies will lend us a paw.
Buffy Cats, look! Putting up these little flags is a pawsome game. Looks like it worked. The birdies stopped. Let's keep playing, Buffy Cats.
Yeah, m'lady! This game is super awesome!
Birdies, wanna play with us? are, Pilu. And now, Buffy Cats, we've come to the most important thing. The birthday cake. It's super late. Granny will be here soon.
It's over. We'll never be done in time. There'd need to be at least 10 of us.
Hey, what are the birdies doing?
As I live and meow. The birdies are making the cake!
Possum! They want to help!
If we team up, we can do it. Come on, Buffy Cats, let's go. Need the dough.
Mix it up!
Make way! Incoming strawberries! Granny Pina is already here!
Kitties! Granny's back!
Granny Pina is coming inside.
But the cake isn't ready yet.
Don't worry, Pilu. I'll distract Granny so you can finish the cake.
What bad weather today.
Meow. Meow. Meow.
Luckily, I'm home with my kitties. Hello, milady.
Meow.
Some more cuddles, little sweetie. Milady, you really want to play today? Oh? Milady, where are you? Where are my kitties? How strange. It's so quiet. What happened to my sitting room? Oh, kitties, aren't you funny? Why are you wearing those hats?
Meow. Meow.
Oh, here's another one. I suppose I'll wear one, too. What's this? A cake? How beautiful. But what are we celebrating?
Meow.
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 Meow. Oh, of course, kitties. You're right. Today is my birthday. I had totally forgotten.
Meow, 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 meow. 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 Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow.
Buffy mission accomplished, Buffy Cats. All thanks to the little birdies.
And now, kitties, time to taste this wonderful cake.
I take it back.
Oh, you liked the cake. You can come back on my next birthday, birdies.
Where did it go? Oh no! walk away on its own? I must find the egg before it hatches. I'll ask the Buffy Cats for help.
Don't worry, Robin.
We'll find your baby.
Okay, we better move out right away, my furry fellows.
Of course, but first, we'll need a little energy boost.
The secret's in the noodles of Granny Peanut. A plate of superpower, a stress germ and real mover. You eat them hot with me ragu. With ragu! They'll help you grow up tall and stop your feeling blue. Because a plate of noodles like Granny Peanut is better than a doctor. It'll take away your fever. So be happy, come on, I'm the brother's here to stay. If you don't know the power to brighten up noodle power.
What's with your whiskers, Lampo?
They're not able to pinpoint the location of Robin's egg.
But how come?
This happens when the target keeps moving around.
That just means we'll have to move faster. Whoa! Lampo, are your whiskers still confused?
Afraid so, Robin.
Oh no! What will I do now?
Don't worry, we'll find it somehow.
But milady, how?
I've got a Buffy brainstorm. We just gotta think like a hatchling. Meatball, where would you go if you were a little bird?
To find a snack.
If I were a baby bird, I'd go to the park.
Yes, Pilou. He could have gone to play at the park.
There, let's go! Whiskers are telling us that it's over there! No, it went over there! Where'd it go this time?
baby isn't at the park, Robin.
But then, where can it be?
If only your whiskers power was still working, Lampo.
Wait, now my whiskers are telling us that... The baby stopped moving!
Has to be the sound of my baby's chirping.
Where, Robin?
At the farm.
Lampo, what did Corny mean?
I have no idea. Anyway, sowing seeds is pretty easy, and it's so quiet here. Pilu, maybe it's better not to feed him?
But he's just one bird, and he's so cute.
Oh, my meatballs! They're eating all the seeds.
Oh, what do we do now?
Shoo! Shoo, shoo!
Hey! Shoo! Shoo!
We're sorry, Corny. Unfortunately, the birds ate all the seeds.
It always happens to me, too. Birds eat seeds, and I don't know a good way to keep them away.
I've got a Buffy brainstorm. Birds are afraid of scarecrows. Buffy Cats, let's build one using our creative recycling.
I never thought of that before, but it's gonna be a snap. The farm is full of old objects that can be recycled. Okay, let's try it.
Hurry up before they come back! Done!
Quick, Lampo, they're coming!
Oh, no!
Everyone, hide!
Look, Corny, it's working! The scarecrow keeps the birds away!
Yes! The birds won't eat the seeds ever again! We did it!
Hooray!
If you want cornbread, you have to grind the corn kernels with one of these millstones. To grind the kernels, you have to turn the millstones. That's how you make flour. Are you tired already, Pilu?
No, Corny, just bored. It's kind of boring to grind the corn.
It may seem boring, but with the right attitude, anything can become a game.
There's gotta be some way to make grinding corn fun.
Oh no! The birds have come to eat the corn! Shoo! Shoo! This corn ain't for you, birdies!
What do we do now? I've got a Buffy brainstorm. Pretend the millstone is a merry-go-round. Let's play corny-go-round.
Wow, we're flying!
It's super fun! And now, everybody off!
I don't think the birdies liked your game so much.
But I sure did. Wasn't it Possum? Yeah! Look, flowers coming out.
Good job, kids. When we have all the ingredients, I'll go knead this corn flour and bake the bread in the oven.
So what do we do next?
We go make the butter. Bucky, come with me. It'll be simple.
First, put the milk in this canister. Be careful not to spill.
Bucky, now you have to shake it. That will turn the milk into butter.
Oh, I'm tired. The milk isn't butter yet.
Sounded so easy. I know, Ginny. Making butter is boring, too.
Nothing is boring on the farm, Pilou. You just need the right attitude.
Mimi's right.
Look, the birds want milk. We can challenge them to a game of butter rugby. We'll use the milk canister as a ball. It'll be fun. Good catch, Ginny.
Hey, birdies, bring it on. The fearsome bird team is trying to steal the milk from the famous rugby player, Ginny.
But the possum champion Pilou gets the pass without a moment to spare. And passes to Bucky. Oh no!
The birdie team has taken possession of the milk.
The brave rugby champ Bucky intercepts the pass.
Congratulations, Cubs! The milk has become butter.
We're the farm champions!
And now for the final ingredient.
Honey!
Right. Honey can be found in this special bee's nest, the hive. Once I put these spouts in the holes, honey will start to come out. Wait and collect the honey drop by drop in your jars.
But this is gonna take forever.
And it'll be boring.
But you can make it fun, Ginny. Remember, on the farm, nothing is boring. You just need
The right attitude. I've got an idea. If I give the hive some spin, the honey will come out faster. And catching it on the fly is more fun.
Awesome idea, Ginny!
Oh, the birds are here. They want honey.
No problem. We'll challenge them to a game of Catch the Honey.
So this jar will bring it to me. A long shot. Aha!
Well done! You collected all the honey.
Yes, we won!
Now that we've got all the ingredients, we can go and use them for...
Snack time! Jungle is saying we should get to the other side, but how will we ever do that? It looks like that birdie wants to eat that acorn.
No, he doesn't. What's he up to?
He catapulted the acorn in the tree. I got it! Jungle made a catapult. And he's saying we can just catapult ourselves to the other side.
Let's each grab a rock, too.
Now let's all hop on the catapult. Okay, let's toss our rocks on the other end of the branch at the same time. Sorry, Jungle. We didn't wait for you. We threw our rocks too soon.
And now our catapult is totally ruined. I think Jungle said he'll find another way around.
But we can't wait for him. Tata's in danger. Jungle taught us how to handle ourselves in the wilderness. We can do this on our own.
Let's go save Tata!
Hello, little birds. You are so cute.
Oh, shoot!
Hey, what are you doing?
Shoot! I don't want birds on my fence.
Meow, 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 meow. 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 Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow.
Buffy mission accomplished, Buffy Cats. All thanks to the little birdies.
Subscribe to the channel.